Go ahead.
Okay, so well, my name is Ana Marina Aguirre, and I am a primary and elementary school teacher, and I'm currently pursuing a PhD in Education and Technology at the Universidad a Distancia de Madrid, UDEMA. My thesis advisor is Jose María Díaz Nafria, and my co-advisor Isaac Sian Puyol. I'm going to present my research proposal entitled Educational Robotics in Elementary School, a model for transferable real-world learning. This research starts from a current educational problem. In many schools, knowledge is still taught in a fragmented way through separate subjects that are not always connected. And at the same time, technological immediacy and artificial intelligence can lead students to obtain quick answers and without fully understanding the processes behind them. For this reason, this project focused on the need to help pupils understand relationships, consequences, and systems. The main aim of the research is to develop and validate a pedagogical model using educational robotics to promote system thinking in primary education. In this model, the robot is not understood only as a technological tool, it's also considered a tangible representation of a complex system. The theoretical basis of this proposal is connected with the general systems theory of Bertrand Anfield and the cybernetics from Wiener, especially of the idea of the feedback. The model is based on three main elements. The first one, robotic components, through a clearly theoretic, and second one, basic virtual laboratory which supports visualization and with the experimentation. And the last one, a real-world transfer, because the goal is not only to learn robotics, it's to understand how systems work in different contexts. So the validation will use qualitative techniques such as participants' observations, students' work analysis, and interactions records. And the expected contribution is a transferable pedagogical model that links educational robotics, system thinking, and mindful learning in primary education. That means teach students to understand the world as a big system. So to conclude this research aims to use robotics, not only a teach technology, is to help children understand how systems work and how this understanding can be applied beyond the classroom. So thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question.
Thank you very much, Anna. Also, you help to keep the watch. so we are on time. So perfect. Does anyone want to make comment, questions? So raise your hand. Or just speak.
No, I have just one curiosity. Maybe my main concern is how to, you want to apply a new methodology in the schools. So maybe one of my main concerns is related to how to evaluate or to validate this new methodology in the school.
Well,
to be honest,
I'm still not quite sure how we are going to do so. I'm starting to prepare this project, so that is the main idea, and then I need to continue for that. So
no, I think this one of it's difficult to see the results that you can achieve with this new methodology, or how to evaluate the result of this new methodology. It's something that I think it's a bit difficult.
But you have to do activities with the children, and you cannot
Yeah,
share.
but the idea, I mean, my question is more related to how to measure the contribution of this methodology. How to see if it's better than the classical methodology, you know?
So one of the ideas we have is because so when you see how the robot works and you understand the parts and so on, then that part is already done. But then you make it in parallel to, for example, how a cell works, and then how, for example, a mountain emerges from the continent, and by seeing this parallelism, then compare. So the same, how is the reception in comparison to moving to the next class of biology, and then get the lecture about the cell and the lecture about the mountain orogenisis. Then it can. The only way to do that is then by measuring kind of how it was the reception, the engagement, for example. But this, of course,
Can I speak in Spanish for a moment, please, to explain?
Yeah.
Vale, hola. No sé si ustedes conocéis lo que se llaman las líneas de indagación que se utilizan en las escuelas internacionales, que lo que hacen es efectivamente esto. Es un tema en concreto poder llevarlo a otras áreas de conocimiento. Entonces, aquí lo que queremos es que a través del robot, es decir, entendiendo qué es el robot, los componentes y todo eso, poder llevarlo fuera del aula para entender lo que es un sistema. Es decir, por ejemplo, yo puedo enseñarles el cuerpo humano a mis niños a través de la robótica. Y cosas o cómo funciona la célula, etcétera. Entonces, es que un tema principal se pueda trasladar a otros ámbitos, que además es un entorno que tenemos real a día de hoy.
Claro, yo eso lo tengo clarísimo y es súper interesante, pero mi principal problema es, vale, ¿y esto cómo medimos que esto funciona o deja de funcionar con respecto a
engagement? Claro. O sea, la
manera... Ana, no te desgastes, estás hablando con cuantitativos, esto es una cosa...
No pasa nada, no pasa nada.
Pero cuando tú quieras venderle, digamos, esta metodología a alguien, ¿no? Tendrás que
a los cuantitativos no se puede, hay que vendérselo.
No, pero podemos debatir. Yo los escucho. No, pero mira, yo, por ejemplo, yo soy profesora de robótica educativa, ¿vale? Yo he estado con diferentes grupos, o sea, yo sé cómo funciona, no solamente he estado en aulas enseñando las materias elementales, sino también he estado orientada a la tecnología, ¿vale? Y los niños aprenden jugando. Y te digo yo que funciona. Porque entonces,
no pongo en duda.
A nivel cuantitativo se puede hacer algún tipo con algún tipo de instrumento se puede sacar. Yo todavía estoy en proceso de aprender los instrumentos que existen para poder, no solo a nivel cuantitativo, pero sino también a nivel cualitativo. De primeras me gustaría empezar por la parte cualitativa porque yo soy profesora y yo soy más de expresarme y entender y empatizar. Pero sí que ojalá pudiera hacerlo a nivel mixto el estudio para esto que tú dices, para tener fundamentos numéricos.
So, I don't know whether to speak in English. So in the following Glossal Lab workshop here in Syros, we will bring the robot. So in the next year, we will have here the robot. We will have here some kids, and then make the comparison, comparison analysis. We will try to get some numbers for the quantitatives and some qualitative for the others. So how the joyfulness, I'm sure that Isaac will be able to measure the joyfulness, or will find some way to measure joyfulness. So at least he will cause joyfulness.
Okay.
Yes, I leave my son with you to practice if you want.
Perfect. That's what we need. And he loves robotics, so
yes.
So that means that next year we are coming with him, but not with you, or what is that? Or you're coming and go to the other island,
to the next hotel,
to the next hotel to make experiments. So it's a good contribution in any case. So No, okay, thank you. Any other comment? No? Okay, so thank you very much, Anna. And then we can move to